Forget everything you think you know about meditation. This isn't just sitting still or breathing quietly. This is about switching on your body's self healing power. Imagine reversing nagging symptoms, reigniting your energy, protecting yourself from invisible stressors like solar storms. This isn't ordinary. This is the no brainer meditation. And today I'll show you how real people are healing without pills. I start with myself. For years, I have struggled with chronic fatigue and more than 25 different symptoms, turning each day into a challenging ordeal. I was hesitant to rely on medication that could potentially worsen my condition due to the side effects, all in the pursuit of feeling better. To me, that felt like oxymoron. But through the no brainer meditation, which is a combination of mindfulness practice and the energizing effect of the qigong, I reversed my chronic fatigue and other 25 symptoms over the years of practice. That transformation didn't just change my health, it changed my entire career as a physician. I saw proof that we can heal without medicine. So much so that I let go of my medical license. I no longer prescribe pills because I've seen a better way. For over a century, we've been led to believe that only medicine possesses the power to heal. But here's the truth: the no brainer meditation is not a magic trick and it's not a quick escape. It's a tool to unlocking your body's own ability to heal, a tool most people don't even realize they have. It is the doorway, the beginning of a much bigger journey. And once you walk through it, you'll never see healing the same way again. Let me show you what happened where real people in my life put this into practice. My own sister reversed her heart disease. She went from struggling to walk quickly due to the chest pain to completing 1 hour of Zumba at the gym. More than just her heart, the outlook of her life just completely shifted. My husband, he used to be immobilized every day by constant aches and pains. Now he just practices the no brainer meditation like most people take aspirin. In less than 30 minutes, he's just like a new person. This practice is a powerful anti inflammatory. And can you guess his age? Comment below. Tamara had a chronic inflammatory condition so severe that even chemotherapy like drug couldn't help her. And after 2 cycles of 21 days of no brainer meditation practice, her symptoms reversed and her joy returned. Watch how excited Tamara was in this next video clip. She's explaining how her doctors even couldn't believe just what happened to her.
Said, I can tell you how much inflammation you have in your body. Can be more. And then when I went last time, 2 weeks ago, to be happy, you don't have any more.
The fact that your blood tests are completely normal, Tamara.
Fantastic. This is fantastic, really.
But I never seen in my practice anybody to go back to normal. Nobody. They ended up with the medicine for life until you know what.
The doctors, first of all, that they are amazing.
Even her doctor was stunned when I ran into her at a social event. She couldn't believe the results. Then there's Sylvia. She used to get winded climbing up the stairs. After 21 days of practice, she was able to climb 3 flight of stairs in one go. Watch the video clip explaining her situation.
I'm very happy that I did this. I'm thankful to you. This weekend, we park in the city. It has like the elevators not working. So we went down, I think it was for 3 floors. But then when I came back, I had to climb the three.
Elevator was not working.
Not work on this parking, or you had to park really, like on the top of the building. I realized I didn't take much effort to me. I just walk up and I'm like, is that not happening? My daughter, mom, she was like, Mom, can you do it, Mom? I said, yeah, I can do it. I can do it. I'm okay. I can do it.
The next 2 examples show how effortless the no-brainer meditation boosts your fitness with a hard workout at the gym. Declan dreaded moving houses, carrying heavy boxes, and dealing with the pain afterward. But after his 21 days of practice, the boxes felt light. And this is without no sweating or hard workout at the gym. He was shocked. Loic, an avid swimmer, he surprised himself by swimming longer than he usually does and without warm up. He was ecstatic. Watch the video.
I went swimming today, and I swam 1,000 yards, 1,200 yards, about a kilometer. So my breathing was extremely good, which comes after 20 days of a breathing session. That definitely was a benefit. I've not been exercising as much as I do normally. I went swimming, and I went right away, and I swam 1,000 to 1,200 meters, and no pain, no breathing problem. That was amazing. My breathing was extremely good because actually I've seen after 20 days of a breathing session, because how long I exhale, okay, keeps getting longer, very clear. Between
Yes.
the flexibility exercises we have done, the breathing, it was so easy.
So, what makes the no brainer meditation so different? It's not just relaxation, it is rewiring your brain. So, you walk away more energized, calmer, and clear headed. But here's the part science is only starting to catch up on. This practice charges you up, but in a calm way. When solar flare hits, causing fatigue, mood swings, brain fog, and more. This practice increases your resilience. I know because I used to suffer from symptoms every time a solar flare hits the earth. This practice shields you, just like the Earth's magnetic field shields life from the solar storms. And once I doubled down this practice, now solar flares no longer affect me so much. Those symptoms disappeared. Now I recover faster and remain steady during the solar storms. This practice expands that biofield. We are fundamentally electrical beings, remember that? And when you are in this state of expanded biofield, you connect right straight into your own healing system. That's why this practice works like a medicine. It is both anti inflammatory and an energizer. This practice works if you practice it, and that's the key. You've heard the stories. Real people, real results. No pills, no endless side effects. Just 21 days of consecutive practice to rewire your brain. And then twice a year practice to refresh the pathways and unlock the body's ability to heal naturally. Solar flare are going to get more intense in the autumn. I'm filming this at the end of August, and this is the best time to learn the no brainer meditation. And now it's your turn to try it. I invite you to join me on the 3-day no-brainer meditation training class on September 9th, 10th, and 11th, 2025. Only if there is enough interest, I'll run the event. So sign up for the wait list, and once we hit the number, I'll send you the registration link. It's just $7 and it's designed for beginners. So don't wait for another flare, another symptom, and another pill. Healing without medicine is possible, and it starts right here. Once you realize that you can feel better without medicine, it changes everything. And that's the moment your healing story begins. Sign up for the wait list and experience it for yourself. Thanks for watching. See you in September.